Hello everyone. Today I am going to continue chapter 4 part 2, the northern plains. Yesterday we saw northern plain lies to the south of Himalayas. The states lying in it are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Assam. Yesterday we saw that the northwestern part of this plain is formed by river Satluj. It lies in Satluj basin. Now we will see life of people in northern plains. First, Punjab will start from west. Punjab is fed by the Satluj, Ravi and Beas rivers and is very fertile. Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. It is a well-planned city. The famous Golden Temple is situated in the city of Amritsar. See in picture. This famous Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar. Other important cities are Ludhiana, Jalandhar. Industries such as textile, sports goods, hosiery and motor parts are well developed in Punjab. The people speak Punjabi and Hindi. Gurupurb, Baisakhi, Holi and Diwali are the main festivals celebrated in Punjab. Bhangra and Gidda are the popular folk dances of Punjab. See the ladies of Punjab dancing Gidda. Next state is Haryana. Haryana is also situated in the Satluj basin and the land here is also very fertile. Gurgaon in Haryana has the largest car manufacturing plant in the country, the Maruti factory. People speak Hindi and Haryanvi. Haryanvi is a dialect of Hindi. Next is Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. The offices of the Presidents and Prime Minister of India and all the central government offices are located in New Delhi. People from all states of India live in Delhi. All the major festivals of India are celebrated here. The main languages spoken here are Hindi, English, Punjabi and Urdu. There are many monuments of historical importance in Delhi such as the Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, India Gate, Jantar Mantar and the Lotus Temple. See the picture showing the old cities, the modern Delhi. Now we will study about the states of India lying in northern plain of Ganga basin. See, all these states lie in Ganga basin. The first is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the large and thickly populated state. Its capital is Lucknow. The land in Uttar Pradesh is very fertile as the state is situated in the Ganga basin. Leather, metal and textiles are some of the major industries. The main languages spoken are Hindi and Urdu. Diwali, Holi, Dasara, Eid and Christmas are celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. Allahabad, Varanasi, Agra, Kanpur are some important cities. The rivers Ganga and Yamuna meet at the Sangam in Allahabad. It is considered to be a holy place by the Hindus. See, the dark green water of Yamuna meets the yellow water of Ganga at the Sangam, Allahabad. Bada Imambara in Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Next is Bihar. Bihar is towards the east of Uttar Pradesh. It is also situated in the Ganga basin and is a thickly populated state. Its capital is Patna. The soil of Bihar is extremely fertile, which makes it ideal for agriculture. The main industries here are based on agriculture. Means the industries get their raw material to manufacture goods from agriculture. Hindi, Urdu, Maithili are the main languages of the state. Eid, Diwali and Dasahra are the main festivals celebrated here. Chhath is an important traditional festival. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are cities of historical importance in Bihar. See, Mahabodhi temple in Bodh Gaya and women celebrating Chhath Puja. Next is Jharkhand. The capital of this new state is Ranchi. Jharkhand is very rich in mineral deposits such as coal, iron, copper and aluminium ores. One of the India's largest steel plants is located in Bokaro in Jharkhand. See, the largest steel plant of India, Bokaro Steel Plant. Next state lies in Ganga Basin is West Bengal. Further east of Bihar is West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of the state. Since West Bengal has a long coastline, fishing is an important occupation of the people. Jute, textile and silk industries in the state are well developed. The people speak Bengali. Sweets of West Bengal such as Rasagulla and Sandesh are popular all over India. Durga Puja is the most important festival of West Bengal. The easternmost part of this plain is formed by river Brahmaputra called Brahmaputra Basin. The next is Brahmaputra Basin in which one state, Assam, lies. Dispur is capital of Assam. It is situated near Guwahati, the biggest city in this state. The people speak Assamese. Their main festival is Bihu. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam, the home of the one-horned rhinoceros, is very famous. The state has huge deposit of petroleum, tea production, refining of oil, sericulture. Sericulture means rearing of silkworms for silk and handicrafts are the important industries of Assam. Sea, famous for its golden colored moga silk, tea garden, tea plantation of Assam. So now your chapter is over. Thank you.